Hey bird watchers, in my first Sitecore demo, I did an easy content out and then back in type workflow. Now I'm going to amp up the orchestration by including a TMS, machine translation, automatic post editing with an LLM, a checkpoint for human in the loop review, and then I'll send the content back to Sitecore. So we're really going to push the limits of interoperability here, so let's see how it goes. Spoiler. It goes awesomely. I already saw the ending. But still, you should sit and watch and see the ending as well. Same as the last video, setting a page as ready for localization in Sitecore is going to be our trigger. Over in Blackbird, our bird has already started running, and we can see the trigger step right here. I'm using Blackbird utilities right here to generate a due date that we can use to calculate and set a project deadline in our TMS. Here we have created a project in memoQ, and we can see that project right here. Next, we extracted the content from Sitecore and uploaded to our memoQ project, which we can see right here. We also exported the glossary from memoQ because we passed that on to our LLM tool for consideration in the automatic post-editing step. Here we exported the file from memoQ, we sent it to DeepL for machine translation, and then we had our good friend Claude perform some post-editing. Next step is we're going to upload back into memoQ, and at this point we have hit our checkpoint, which allows a human in the loop for review. And once the project is wrapped up in memoQ, our bird is going to start flying again. Over in memoQ, we can simulate our review of the segments and confirm them. As a next step, we'll simulate a workflow being completed in memoQ, but you can define whatever steps you want here. So with machine translation and automatic post-editing, perhaps only one post-editing linguistic step is needed here, but that's totally up to you. Next, we'll wrap up the project in memoQ. As a note, memoQ has some automated actions in the project template settings that could help you with the project wrap-up. But either way, Blackbird is just waiting on that trigger to know that we can proceed. And there we go. Next, we'll search the project files, since the file IDs have changed since we did an initial import of the files. We download the files and send it back to Sitecore. Back in Sitecore, we can check out the translated version, and things float smoothly across multiple apps. Thanks again, bird watchers. We'll keep putting out similar demos showing other systems and content workflows just like this, so keep your eyes to the skies for more awesome stuff coming soon.